Welcome back to the DerivNavigator Academy. In this video, I'll be speaking about the even odd strategy that I've just discovered, okay? Now, when you're trading even odd, please listen to this, all right? Even odd, yes, it's one of the risky markets. It's one of the markets whereby the win percentage is around 60% or 50% and 50%. It's basically a 50-50 chance market. But there is a way you can use it to your leverage and make a good profit. All right. Yeah, I know in the past I've said that don't trade even odd in these occurrences. But again, we are just here to discover. And again, we learn every day. I still learn new strategies every day. I test them. And you all should also do the same as a trader. All right. Now, even odd. What is the strategy that I'm about to speak about? So the first thing, I'll go directly into it without wasting time. The first thing, ensure the red circle. All right. Or the red number for those who are using their phones. The red number is... Let's say you are trading, okay, let's take into instance, we are trading, you are trading even, all right? You are trading even, all right? When you're trading even, listen carefully, ensure the red circle or the red number or the red bar is on an odd number, all right? And ensure the green circle or the green bar is on an even number. I repeat, ensure the red circle or the red number for those who are using the new Deriv interface or the Deriv red bar is on an odd number. And then ensure the green circle or the green bar or the green number for those who are using their phones is on an even number. So that is the first recommendation. Once you see that, you put a tick. And then the second thing, all right, the second thing, ensure if you're trading even, the total percentages of even numbers should be greater. In this method, you don't have to look at the individual percentages. You look at the total percentages. Ensure the total percentage of even numbers is greater than the total percentage of odd numbers. So you should have a calculator, either on your phone, either you have a physical calculator. As you do this, you don't have to look at the percentage or at the whereby you can say that this even number should be 10%. This, no, we look at the total percentage. So if you look at the total percentage of even numbers and you see it is greater than the total percentage of odd numbers, that is also a tick. So if you see the green circle and the red circle are perfectly positioned, that is one tick. If you see the total percentage of even numbers is greater than the total percentage of odd numbers, again, that is another tick. All right. So that will be two satisfied conditions. All right. Again, now once that has been satisfied, guys, once that has been satisfied, now it is time for our entry. Now we have already finished everything. Now it is the time for our entry. Where do we put our entry point and proceed from? Now, listen carefully to this, because guys, if you mess this up, you'll experience a loss. You will wait. Listen carefully. You will wait for let's say you're trading even. Remember here, we are giving an even setup. You wait for the ticker to touch 3 odd numbers. I repeat, wait for the ticker to touch 3 odd numbers. All right, wait for it to touch 3 odd numbers. After it touches 3 odd numbers, all right, after it touches 3 odd numbers, you press even. I repeat, once that the red thingy, the red ticker, the red triangle touches 3 odd numbers, you press even. Or once the ticker touches 3 odd numbers, and this one is a better one that I use. Once the ticker touches 3 odd numbers and it touches an even number, you press even as the ticker is on the even number. I repeat, once the ticker touches 3 odd numbers and it lands on an even number, you press even when the ticker is on the even number. And even odd, don't trade even odd with the mentality that you'll have 0 losses. Losses will be there, but in even odd, recovering it is very simple. You only require twice your account. So that is why I usually say have enough capital in your account. It will become easier for you. If you're starting with a $5 account, do not dare trade even odd. You might be in a risk of blowing your account. But if you have a $100 account, this is actually a very good strategy for you. If you have a $15 account, even $10 is fine, but be careful. All right. But if your account is below 10, please do not try this strategy. Trade even odd, over under, trade differs, and grow your account until to a level whereby you can try this, because even odd is very unpredictable and it tends to have quite a number of losses. All right. For the number of ticks always use one tick. Every strategy that I've given, I advise one tick, because these are markets that really change really quickly. So you should be very cautious when you're trading them. So please use one tick. Okay, use one tick. So use one tick and follow every guideline that you have spoken about. All right, and just wait for that ticker to touch 3 odd numbers, and then immediately it lands on an even. You press even when it is on the even number. All right, or just wait for it to touch 3 odd numbers and press even on your Deriv interface. All right, if you have any problem with this, guys, please make sure you contact me. My WhatsApp number is in the description and I will answer you on the spot. Okay, for those who want to see the live and practical demonstrations, please make sure you join the Deriv Navigator Academy. Right below, you'll see somewhere written join us. You can join, and I'll be going live very soon, whereby I'll be trading and showing you how you can actually execute this, and I'll be making more videos on this. But guys, this is a strategy that I've come across. I've tested it, and surprisingly, it really works. So guys, go test it on your demo accounts first, not real demo. Once you test it on your demo, I want you to come and give me feedback in the comment section if it works or if it doesn't, or what does not work, and then I'll make another video for clarification, or I'll answer you in the comment section. Apart from that, guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Keep trading, keep pushing, and let us meet in the next one. Please, if you have enjoyed this video, please make sure you leave a make sure you subscribe, make sure you turn on that notification bell so that you don't miss out, and share to anyone who you know is interested in trading. Apart from that, guys, thank you very much for watching this video, and let us meet in the next one.